In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce property tax in the US. This is essential knowledge for any homeowner looking to ease their financial burden and make the most out of their investment. Let's dive right in and explore some practical strategies. First, let's discuss a little known fact. You can actually ask for your property tax card, head down to your local town or city hall, or check online through the local assessor's office to request a copy. This card contains crucial details about your property that influence your tax rate. By reviewing it, you can check for any discrepancies which could be inflating your tax bill. Next, a piece of advice that might seem counterintuitive, but is quite effective: don't build. Yes, any structural additions to your property, like a new deck, pool, or large shed, are viewed as improvements. These upgrades tend to increase your property's value and consequently your property tax. So consider holding off on those major home projects if you're looking to reduce your tax obligations. Another strategy revolves around limiting your home's curb appeal. While it's tempting to make your home the envy of the neighborhood, assessors are human and may attribute a higher value to more visually appealing properties given the room for some subjectivity in their evaluations. Keeping things modest can work in your favor here. Researching neighboring homes is also a crucial step. Information about your home and, importantly, comparable nearby homes can typically be found at your local city or town hall. This insight can help you understand where your home stands in relation to others and perhaps even argue for a tax reduction if discrepancies arise. Allowing the assessor access to your home is another important tip. While it might be intrusive, failing to do so can lead assessors to make assumptions about potential upgrades, which might inflate your tax assessment. Explaining or guiding them through your home can provide a more accurate picture of your property's condition. When the assessor visits, accompany them. Rather than letting them wander alone, guide them around to ensure they see any areas that might lower your home's perceived value, like outdated appliances or minor wear and tear, which might be overlooked without your input. Also, look for exemptions that might apply to you. Certain demographics and property usages qualify for tax reductions. Older adults, veterans, individuals with certain disabilities, and even properties used for agriculture might be eligible, not to mention benefits from homestead exemptions. It's worth investigating whether any apply to your situation. Finally, if all else fails, consider appealing your tax bill. If you believe your assessment isn't accurate, you have the right to challenge it. Be prompt with this process to avoid missing out on the opportunity. Each of these steps offers a method to potentially lower your property tax. By being proactive and informed, you can ensure you're not overpaying and make your home ownership experience that much more enjoyable. Keep these tips in mind and you may find some relief in your tax bills.